Okay, so welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going to be trying something kind of different.
Oh,
Yeah. So we're going to be looking at bull and bear markets,
right.
but through the lens of, and you're not going to believe this, dating profiles.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. So it might sound a little crazy,
Yeah.
but I think it's going to be really useful, actually, to understand
Okay.
these kind of complex market forces.
Sure.
And hopefully it can help you think about your own investment decisions
Okay, great.
and how they might be impacted.
Yeah, I mean, we always talk about markets and, using words like optimistic
Right.
or fearful.
Mm-hmm.
So why not, go a little bit deeper
Yeah.
and imagine them as like personalities you might
Mm.
meet on a dating app.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So for anyone who needs a little refresher,
Yeah.
a bull market is basically when prices are rising,
Mm-hmm.
driven by, bullish investors,
Yeah.
and everything feels really positive. People are confident.
Right.
Sentiment is up, up, up.
Yeah. It's like that excitement at the beginning
Mhm.
of a relationship, there's all this possibility.
Yes, exactly, exactly.
And our source material actually describes this bull market personality
Yeah.
as, someone who's full of energy.
Mm-hmm.
They love talking about, soaring profits and
Mhm.
riding the wave.
Oh, yeah.
And there's, this idea of irrational exuberance,
Right.
where investors can get caught up in the hype
Yeah.
and not really make the most logical decisions.
Yeah, it sounds a little bit like that, .com bubble
Oh, yeah.
that was, like a classic example of
Definitely.
that irrational exuberance
Yeah.
just going way too far.
Yeah, everyone was just throwing money at internet companies.
Exactly.
Didn't even really matter if they had a business plan or not.
Exactly, yeah.
And, well, we know how that ended.
We all know, yeah.
Big crack.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
But it's important to remember that, bull markets aren't bad.
Right, right.
It's just that sometimes those periods of growth,
Yeah,
lead to bubbles.
yeah.
And that's where it gets risky.
Right, right. Okay, well, that brings us to our other potential match here,
Okay.
the bear market.
Right.
Now, this is a very different personality type
Yeah, yeah.
than, the party animal we
Yeah.
were just talking about.
Right.
This is someone who's a bit more reserved.
Okay.
Our source material actually says that they're moody,
Mm-hmm.
introspective,
Okay.
and they're really big on value investing
Right, right.
and definitely not into reckless speculation.
No, definitely not. This is like your friend who's been through some stuff.
Right,
And, now they're a lot more cautious about
Right.
who they date.
right.
They've learned some lessons.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And that's kind of what happens in a bear market.
Right.
Investors get a little scared.
Yeah.
Maybe there's some economic uncertainty.
Right.
Maybe there's, something going on in the world,
Yeah.
geopolitical stuff.
Yeah.
And they get more risk averse.
Right.
And so they start pulling back from the market,
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
which leads to prices falling.
But this isn't always bad, though, right?
No, not at all.
I mean, remember what Warren Buffett said? He said,
Yeah.
be fearful when others are greedy
Right.
and greedy when others are fearful.
Exactly. Bear market can actually be a good opportunity,
Okay.
for smart investors
Mhm.
who are willing to go against the crowd
Right.
and maybe buy some undervalued assets.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's all about perspective,
Right.
understanding what your investment style is. Just like
Yeah.
with dating, there's no one right answer.
Yeah.
You have to find someone who matches your values
Right.
and your goals,
Hmm.
your comfort level.
Yeah. So let's bring this back to the listener for a second.
Okay.
Which market personality would you rather, date?
Right.
Would you rather date the energetic bull
Yeah.
who promises excitement, potential for big wins,
Right.
but also comes with some risk, or the more cautious bear
Yeah.
offers stability
Right.
and the chance to buy low,
Yeah.
but maybe you're gonna need to be more patient.
Yeah, definitely. It really depends. Are you the kind of person who likes taking risks?
Right.
Or Do you want to go slow and steady?
Right.
You really have to understand your risk tolerance
Yeah, yeah.
to make, good decisions
Right, right.
about investing, no matter what the market's doing.
Okay, so this is where I think it gets really interesting. Imagine if the stock market was like
Right.
a big dating app,
Okay, yeah.
and you're scrolling through the profiles,
Right.
looking at the trends,
Yeah.
the economic indicators,
Right.
the news headlines,
Sure.
and you're trying to figure out, is the market giving off more of a bull vibe
Right.
or a bear vibe?
Exactly.
And based on your investing personality,
Yeah.
who would you swipe right on?
That's a great question. And, just like in dating, the market can be fickle.
Right.
The bull and the bear are,
Yeah.
they're both trying to get your attention. And things can change quickly.
Right.
But if you, if you know yourself
Right, right.
and you know these personalities,
Right.
you're going to be in a much better position to navigate those changes.
Yeah, yeah.
And make good decisions for your,
Yeah.
long-term goals,
Oh.
your long-term financial goals.
Well, I think that's a great place to leave it for today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yeah, this was really fun.
This was really interesting, yeah.
Yeah, I think everyone listening, hopefully this helps you think
Yeah.
about the market and your investments.
It's definitely something to, keep in mind as you're
Right.
looking at the market,
Right.
making decisions.
Yeah, great. Well, thanks again.
Thanks.
And to everyone listening, thanks for joining us on the deep dive, and we'll see you next time.
See you later.